Welcome to Scalable Display Manager. In this video, we will show you how to apply your scalable calibration within an Unreal Engine project using NDisplay. The first step is ensuring the host and client PCs have access to the same project. The project can exist on a shared network folder, or it can be copied onto each PC. The file pathways need to be identical and should not include any spaces. Once the projects are set up, go to the Unreal Engine Program Files directory and open the switchboard listener on each of your client PCs. Now that we've set up our clients, we will add an advanced option to the scalable software on our host machine to enable NDisplay outputs. Accept the new advanced option and restart the software for the option to take effect. The software will now automatically generate a config file based on the system setup. Once Scalable has restarted, open the Perspective Calibration panel and check the radio dial to generate frustum per projector. Add an eye point and update the calibration. You will find a new file labelled scalable.ndisplay in the Scalable Display program directory. Drag the file into the content browser of your Unreal Engine project and save it as an asset. The config file is now ready to be used with the Switchboard application. Launch the Switchboard application from the Unreal Engine toolbar. In the Switchboard app, select NDisplay from the Add Device drop-down. Locate the NDisplay project on your host PC and navigate to the Content folder. Open the scalable.uasset file and click OK. Finally, change the Render API to DX11 in the Settings window. The system is now set up to use the scalable config file. Connect the node PCs and launch the project from the Switchboard application. The calibration files will be applied on each output as the project launches. Unreal Engine calibrated to a dome made easy using Scalable. A step-by-step guide can be found in the video description below. If you would like to learn more about our software, there are additional videos on our channel to help introduce you to Scalable software. You can also reach out to the Scalable sales team anytime using the following information.